Catalina Entertainer is like having your own all-inclusive resort on the water. This pontoon island has its own fiberglass bistro bar with 4 bar stools and Bluetooth stereo to create your favorite ambiance for entertaining special guests. 2 front lounge arms and 2 rear cabana lounges are your sunbathing areas. And for swimming, there is a large rear swimming platform with 2 ladders. All this, plus deco-style walls and luxurious seating, will seriously impress all those aboard. Find your secret spot with Avalon Pontoon Boats.